Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit website text on Wix. So this is really easy to do, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically you guys can see here, I have already imported a quick section here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit the website text. Now we're going to go ahead and edit this part right here that says grow your vision. So what you're going to want to do is click on it and you're going to get a pill-like type of selection area. You can go ahead and click on, just go ahead and click edit text right here. And then from here, you will get the text settings. Now, basically, if you want to go ahead and possibly change your font, you're going to want to go ahead and select the text all the way and then click on the font you want. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go with the impact font, and you can see here that the impact font has actually been implemented into our text. Now, let's say I want a different font size. Basically, I will go ahead and select the text again and then pretty much mess with the font size here. And then headings as well, you can go ahead and change it to a paragraphs heading. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You guys can see here that has also been changed. Now there's effects here that you can go ahead and add to it, selecting, boom, right there. And basically you can see it has some type of a kind of drop shadow to it. So there's a lot you can do with this, and basically that's pretty much how you go ahead and edit website text on Wix. So with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if this video was helpful. But with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.